Alright, Yeat. And if anybody new come in, I know my haircut is messed up, bro. Just never mind that. All right, bro. We're here for the music. You here for the music? You here for my reaction? Or you just here to look at me? I ain't mad at you. You here to look at me? So I ain't mad at you. But I go. I hope this album that he's finna put out is way better than the last one. I can't be mad at him because he tried something different. So I can't be mad. But that shit was poop.
On the line. If she got a problem with X on her eyes, I don't tell them nothing cause they tell me that I'm crazy. You ain't good for nothing in your bird and you're lazy. Every time we in the club they jump, it's gymnasium. I just make my money then I go out cause I hated them. Tuck it in your bed, you a baby. Rockstar lifestyle, nobody could save me. Nobody could save me. And I'm way too rich, you can't play me. You definitely can't get in, we tell you maybe. I'm an asshole, I know that's where you hit me. Now that's on me, crisscross, I crazy. I just spent another meal on boats like the Navy. Private jet, pull up by Amherst, it get crazy. 100 bands on another purse, I go brazen. Yeah, they turn me up like a song. If you fell in love with the guy, oh my God.
Yeah.
So we get you out strong.
Yeah.
I feel your back, I was doing it all alone. You can't stop me.
This the old Yeat. This the old Yeat that we was missing. This the old Yeat we was missing. I ain't gonna lie.
On the line. If she got a problem with X on her eyes,
Yeah.
tell them nothing cause they tell me that I'm crazy. You ain't good for nothing in your bird and you're lazy. Every time we in the club they jump, it's gymnasium. I just make my money.
I'm gonna rate this. I'm gonna say it earlier. I'm gonna rate this like a 7.8. 7.8. This smooth. This smooth the fuck. This smooth.
You a baby, rockstar lifestyle. Nobody could save me.
This is smooth though. Yeah, this is real smooth. So I wonder what direction. I can't really, with this song, you really can't tell the direction he's going in. It sounds like the old Yeat, but it doesn't sound like real old. Like it sounds like he evolved a little bit. Y'all feel what I'm saying? It seems like he evolved a little bit, but not like, it's not like his past self. So I'm wondering where he's going. We're gonna have to see. I don't even know when the album's gonna come out. But that's it. Yeah, we're gonna close it out right now. We're gonna get to this UDY. I'm trying to see if this bitch cheated or not. If this bitch cheated, all these hoes ain't shit, bro. But what else? Man, that's it, man. We out, bro.